Yesterday. Thousands of tears later.
Well, Brett, you healed very quickly. Oh, by the way, I brought home a puppet. He's from the hospital while you were in intensive care. He is going to stay with us for the day.
Hello.
Okay. Hi, Hand Puppet. Yeah, so I did heal very quickly, and I do wonder how I'm able to. Do you know why?
I don't know. I
wait.
I think I saw this explained in a video. Let me try to get that video.
Should be on this guy's YouTube channel.
Yeah,
Isn't
I think
it called XX
underscore iceberg underscore XX.
Wink.
We should probably sub to him. I think I did.
Yeah.
I think everyone should.
Yeah. Wait. It's called. Isn't that the one?
Oh yeah. Yep.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah. Let's just go watch that.
You think Brett had it bad? I always have a hand up my prostate. I think that counts as sexual assault.
I thought this was a PG assignment.
Nope, Mr. Ellis never clarified. Now, we need some language and some nudity.
On the video, please. Interphase and S-phase are the cell's growing stage. This is when the cell grows and to prepare for splitting apart into two different cells. Now, S-phase comes into play when the chromosomes, those little red things on the inside, they duplicate to compensate for both cells' chromosomes being the same number. And that's all there is to it, to interphase and S-phase. So, yeah.
S-phase is boring.
Actually, it's very exciting.
But all it does is grow.
Be quiet.
Yeah, then let's just move on to prophase.
Yeah, let's do that.
Now, mitosis has 4 stages, the first of which being prophase. Prophase is when the DNA chromatin that was just duplicated will condense into chromosomes and prepare to separate, and they will do this by tightly coiling themselves into a helix or an X kind of shape. So that's why the X is there.
That one was not boring.
Let's check out the next one.
Yeah.
By now the nuclear envelope around the cell has been removed and the nucleus has been, duplicated. So, as well as the chromosomes, these little things called spindle fibers start to form and pull the chromosomes into a line to prepare to separate them in the next phase coming up, which would be anaphase, which I will talk about in a second. Wow, spindle fibers are like stretchy string.
Humanity
Is like string.
Oh.
Yeah, that makes no sense. Let's move on.
Yeah.
Now, anaphase is when the separation the separation begins, and this is where the chromosomes split up. One group of the chromosomes goes to one side of the splitting cell, and the other goes to the other side of the splitting cell, all pulled by the spindle fibers. And once that is done, telophase is ready to, occur. So I will get to you with that real soon.
This is getting interesting. The cell cycle is fun.
Now, telophase is the last phase, and it's actually pretty simple. Since the cell is done splitting, the nuclear envelope will close up and the cell will reform into two different cells, and both of which will have the same amount of chromosomes due to the other stages. So now the cell is going to split apart.
Oh, just like your parents.
That's bad.
Oh, I took a dark
Why did you go there?
Can we please move on?
Yes.
Well, there's this thing called cytokinesis, and kinesis as meaning moving, and cyto referring to the cytoplasm inside the cell. This is the force where that pulls the cells apart and also helps pull the spindle fibers and effectively separates the two cells. And you can see of this little dotted line that I put around it, it effectively just kind of breaks off and just kind of schloops off the cell due to cytokinesis.
So now there are two cells, and the extra cell is put where you had your wound.
Well, many cells, but yeah, that in short, that is the cell cycle.
Oh, cool. I never knew how exciting bodily functions were.
You know what?
Yeah, the audience should get a life instead of wasting almost 10 minutes of their time watching this video.
Not quite. I still think Iceberg is a majestic stallion, but okay.
Yep.
That's good.
I have finally learned all of their secrets. They have no use to me now.